Welcome back. Okay, I am totally overwhelmed. I brought all my ribbon down from the attic. If you saw part one, the whole goal was to paint these garage shelves white. I was just going to do one coat, just one coat. And then I was going to put my seasonal ribbon out here instead of going up to the attic every time I need something. So I didn't realize how much ribbon I had until I started bringing it down. And this is probably about 10 trips from the attic. This is also Christmas ribbon, so my Christmas ribbon was in my craft room. So I'm totally overwhelmed. I don't know that it's going to fit here, so some of it may go back to the attic. I plan on weeding some of it out. I'm unable to edit my videos, so there's no way I can record this and get it done in a half hour's time. So I do want to give you a quick update on painting the cabinets. I started at 11:30 yesterday. I wiped them off the night before. 11:30 I started. Painted, got the first coat done 3 hours later. Took me forever. I'm by far the worst painter ever. I'm not consistent. So anyways, I used a Kilt's paint and I just really wanted a quick coat. I just wanted them to look clean. I knew they were clean because I wiped them, but they're really bad stained. So anyways, so I did that. Then I took down James's Christmas tree and did a few things and let it dry. Came back out here, and then it took me 2 hours to paint the second coat. Honestly, it needs a third coat, but I'm not doing it. I do not like painting. I'm not good at it. That's probably why I don't like it. So anyways, just a quick update. I am not going to record me organizing this ribbon. It's totally overwhelming. I mean, my insides are screaming. There's so much sitting here. But I want to give you a quick update, show you all the ribbon, and then show you the shelves. The shelves do look much better, but they're still pretty stained. So I'll show you that. Here's my ribbon. And I mean, I can't even count. There's probably 1,000, maybe 2,000 rolls here. I do plan to weed some of it out. I can't keep all this, and I don't use it either. I use most of it, but not all of it. It's overwhelming. But here's the shelves. And like I said, they're not perfect. They are cleaner for sure. Some of these were just stained. I could not get, like whatever this is, I painted this probably 4 times. I painted over this spot here twice. No, not twice, actually 4 times. Painted them twice, went back over them. It's just stained. It will not come off. So it's better, it's cleaner, it's white. James said I should have painted them red. Heck, I'd still be here painting right now if I did that. So anyways, guys, this is my ribbon. And I seriously doubt it's going to fit on 2 of those shelves. I still need 1 shelf for stuff that goes out here. And then I would like to have a spare shelf for empty, like if I brought something in, like extra paper towels, things like that. It's probably not going to happen. So probably half of this will go back to the attic. So I wasted a lot of energy today. But we'll see. Anyways, I will do another video once it's finished. Please like and subscribe. I'm still stuck at 88 subscribers. I can't get past that. Watch my shorts. And have a great day, and God bless. Wish me luck.